Hello guys, and today we're gonna make some shashlik. Let's get to it. Shashlik is a type of shish kebab meat skewer, which originates from Caucasus and Central Asia. Although it's also a common dish in Iran. During the Russian Empire and Soviet Union times, shashlik gained huge popularity across Russian people as well. Everyone has their own way of making shashlik. The secret lies in its marination, which is often passed from a family to family. And today, we will be making shashlik from a moose meat. The first thing that we do is place our already marinated moose meat to the skewers. Once the coal is ready, we place our meat to our grill. And while it's cooking, we make sure that the meat does not burn, and therefore we turn it occasionally. And make sure that all of them are getting enough heat. Of course, we also add some veggies because they are healthy and plus they give additional taste to our meat. Bon appetit, everyone. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.